Hello students, welcome on Learn with Sia. This video is based on Science Olympiad class 3. Let us start with the first question. What is the correct analogy? Evaporation rises dash fall. So let us see the options. Precipitation. Precipitation means the water in the atmosphere falls down. As for example, rain or the dewdrops that falls in the morning. They are an example of precipitation. Irrigation and cultivation both are related to agriculture. Whereas condensation is the vapor in the air comes down when it becomes cool. It falls when it becomes cool. Whereas evaporation means the water due to increase in temperature rises above in form of vapor. So the correct answer is condensation, because see, evaporation means when the temperature rises, water due to rise in temperature evaporates in form of water vapor and it rises. Whereas condensation means the vapor in the atmosphere becomes cool and falls down. You can see condensation in the morning on the glass windows of vehicles on the road, or even when you are taking hot water shower, you can see condensed water on the mirror. So the correct answer is condensation, because evaporation, water due to increase in temperature rises, and during condensation the vapor in the air due to fall in temperature falls. Next question is, what is incorrect about water? So pay emphasis on the word incorrect. What is incorrect about water? First option, it is colorless, odorless, without a fixed shape. This statement is correct because water is colorless, it is odorless, and it takes the shape of container in which it is poured. So it is colorless, odorless, and without a fixed shape. Second option, it exists in three forms. Yes, water exists in three forms: solid, ice, liquid water, and gas vapor. So it exists in three forms. All living thing need water to live. Yes, all living thing needs water to live. Last option, it boils and melts at same temperature, which is wrong, which is incorrect, because water boils at 100 degrees centigrade and it melts below or above, at or above, at 0 degree centigrade or above 0 degree centigrade. So the incorrect statement about water is the last one, D. Third question, what is considered as the most important invention in the history of mankind? This invention enabled people to create transportation, howl, and move things. When you are reading this question, just keep in mind that we have to answer about invention that enabled people for transportation and move things. So let us see the options. Fire, no, it does not help in transportation. Cart, it does, but cart is this part. It is like a vehicle without wheel, which is called a cart. Plow, we would use plow during agriculture. And when we are talking about wheel, so wheel is the correct answer, because the invention of wheel lead to transportation, move things. Question number 4, Ram's pet dog is very sick. He showed it to a physician, B, pediatrician, C. Veterinarian. D. Surgeon. Whenever an animal is sick, we take it to the veterinarian. So the correct answer is C. Question number 5. This is a chart for water consumption pattern in a city. According to it, which activity consumes maximum amount of water? So as you can see, this is a pie chart in which maximum consumption of water is distributed. So you can see here the maximum consumption of water is this part. So maximum amount of water is used for flushing toilet. So C, flushing toilet is the correct answer. Question number 6. Who invented wireless telegraph? In the picture you can see it is a wireless telegraph. Let us see the option. A. Alexander Graham Bell. B. Guglielmo Marconi. C. Benjamin Franklin. And D. Thomas Alva Edison. So the correct answer is Guglielmo Marconi. He was the person who invented wireless telegraph. Question number 7. A person wants to send a very important document to his sister. So which is the better option? Option A is ordinary post, or B is a registered post or a courier. So if you want to send anything on a faster pace, we send it through a courier or registered post, because ordinary post takes time. So B is the correct answer. Question number 8. From which part of a plant oil is extracted? So oil is extracted from seed of a plant. D, seed is the correct answer. Question number 9. Cooler air is heavier than warm air. True or false? So we studied evaporation and condensation, and we learned that evaporation is when the when the water vapor air is hot, so it rises. When it is cool, it falls. So when the air is heavier, cooler air is heavier, cooler air comes down during condensation. So the statement is correct. Cool air, it comes down because it is heavier. Warm air, during water vapor, warm air goes up, it rises. So the statement given is correct. So it is a true statement. Question number 10. Glass is made from. So glass is made from sand. Thank you for watching.